Okay, so this is the Rekon tripod from Scott Country. This is made by Wicked Lights, the same people that make the lamps. I brought it out onto the hill just to give it a little test. I've not used it before, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like. Basically, a quick rundown of the tripod itself. It's made of carbon fibre, or at least the legs are, so they're quite lightweight and fully adjustable. It comes with either a pig saddle form of mount, which is what this is, or you can get an Arca Swiss, which will go straight onto a Picatinny rail, like an accessory mount on the bottom of your rifle. If you've got one of those, you can use that. Using the pig saddle mount is very simple. It's just a case of slackening this nut off, which allows you to take the rifle out, drop it in, whichever, and you just tighten it up to lock it into place. There's several little boat levels on here just to give you an idea of whether you're level. I've got a little bubble level on top of the scope there. I use that just so I know that my rifle itself is level. Now, I don't like a lot of fussing around with things if I can help it. It's the least things that I need to lock down, tighten up, loosen off, then the better. Basically, this whole ball joint here allows for the movement of the rifle, so by slackening this knob here, that gives you full movement all round, up, down. You can put that right down like so, up, gives you the cant left and right, and all you need to do is just tighten that up. Probably the best thing to do is just have that just kind of pinched up so you can still move around, you can pan around quite comfortably. You can track a fox or whatever you're shooting, and then when it stands still you can lock it down and you're ready to take a shot. So when you deploy the bipod, by pulling the legs apart, they automatically stop at the right distance apart, comfortable, stable shooting distance apart. Now if you want to extend that out, suppose you want to shoot prone, then what you've got is you've got this little button here. You pull that on each of the legs and it allows you to go past that point, and as you can see it locks back into place. So it's possible to actually take the legs and fold them right back over, which is what you do when you want to collapse it up as small as it will go. The pig saddle here is also quickly removed if you wanted to. It's just by loosening that one, and that takes that pig saddle off of there. That's actually the heaviest part of the whole tripod. The actual tripod's pretty light. The pig saddle is the bit that's a bit more weighty, but you could carry that in your pocket if you wanted to, and that gives you a fairly light weight, so it sticks to carry around. So that slides back into there and locks into place. The legs are all fully adjustable with these little tightening nuts. As you can see, they're, all you've got to do is slacken them off, close them up, nice and easy, and they extend just as easily, and all you do is just give them a half turn just to tighten them up. As simple as that. Now the tripod comes with two separate centre spindles that you can change. This is the shorter one. Being that I'm a bit of a short arse, I can get away with having that one in there and it's still comfortable height for me to shoot from. So I can just leave that in there. That allows you to shoot prone. With the other one, because it's longer, with the legs splayed out, that will hit the ground first, so you need to use a shorter one for shooting prone. So I've got the Rekon tripod set up there with my 260 on there. I've got a target out on the bank behind me, which is at 600 metres, so 660 yards. It's a full-size steel fox target. So I'll put the tripod to the test and see if I can put a round on that.